everyone, my name is Priyanka Lagad and today I want to talk about non-access modifier in Java. First of all, what is modifier? Modifier is a specific methods or specific keywords that keyword is used for the characteristics to change the class, methods and variables. First of all, access modifiers. There are four access modifiers. One is a public, next is a public, protected, private and default. There are four types of access modifiers in Java, and next is a non-access modifiers. Non-access modifiers are the static, final, transitions and abstract. These also are the non-access modifier. First of all, discuss about the static. The static keywords means that the entry to which the applied is available outside the particular instance of the class, and that means the static methods or the attributes are the part of class and not the object, and the memory is allocated to the such attributes or the memory at the time of the class is loading. And the use of the static modifiers. Static modifiers are make the program to efficient and the saving memories, and the static field exists across all classes instance without creating the object of the class. They called as a static keywords. Static keyword is very important keywords in Java, and static keyword we can use static keyword, then no need to create the object of the class. It's called as a static keyword. Next we discuss about the final keywords. Final keywords is applied for the variables, methods, class to indicate that they cannot not be modified after their the initial assignments. And a class is a finals, then we cannot change the or we cannot modify the class, variables or methods. Final is always static, means we cannot change. And next is volatiles. Volatile keyword only and only ensure that the changes that are made to the variables and reflected across all threads that are accessing the same variables and the threads. And the uses of volatiles keywords is does not the guarantee thread safety of the class, but does not ensuring the thread is safety and concurrency issues. Hence, if you want to the our class to the thread safe, then we need to the invoke the Viva below the technology. Using the synchronization keywords, using the monitors, using the concurrency techniques and language dependence. Next, we discuss about the next non-access modifier is transitions means this needs to the prior knowledge and serializations. In Java you can refer to the following articles for that the serialization in Java. The transition keywords may be applied in the members and the variables of the class, indicate that the serialization is Java. And the members and variables should not be serializables, and when the containing class instance of the serialized. And serialization is the process of converting the objects into the byte streams. And when we do not want to the serialize, means the value of the variable then declare is the transitions, means to make the more transparent. It's take the examples of the application where we need to the accept user ID and password. At that time, the moment we need to declare the same variables, and do not take the input store in data, but the data is we do not want to the keep into the store after the job is done. um, uh, Transitions means the we cannot change like passwords and user ID, and to achieve this we can the transition keyword for the variables is declare a particular variable will not be participate in a serialization process. And when when a deserialize that we will the receive the default values of the variables. And this also about the transition. Next we talk about the next access modifier is native. Native is using the native keyword. We can apply the methods to indicate that the methods is implemented in the language or other in Java, and using this job applications can call the code returns in C++, assemble language, and share the code in library means DLLs, and is required to these all cases. This also about the non-access modifiers in Java, and non-access modifiers is very important in Java. Thank you. Give your valuable time to listening my video. Thank you so much.